Hello, welcome to Traveling Bits. We are now passing through Bellandur underpass on Outer Ring Road, Bangalore. After the lockdown was lifted in Bangalore, this is one of the first cab travel which I am doing from Bellandur Outer Ring Road to Bannerghatta Road. On the way, we would see offices of many IT companies and other corporate offices starting from Microsoft, Wells Fargo and many more. As you can see on the road that they have also opened a bus lane which is clearly demarcated and increase the speed of public transport buses. This stretch is mostly signal free apart from one or two places till Silkboard Junction. Outer Ring Road is a 6-lane one-way road along with service road on both sides. Recently, road overbridges has been built at intervals for the safety of the commuters. Outer Ring Road runs around most of the perimeter of the city of Bangalore. The 60-kilometer long road was developed by Bangalore Development Authority and different sections were opened progressively between 1996 and 2002. Outer Ring Road connects all major highways around Bangalore city, whether it's Tumkur Road, Airport Road, Old Madras Road, Hosur Road, Bannerghatta Road, Kanakpura Road, Mysore Road, Magri Road. Also passes through major neighborhoods and suburbs like Hebbal, Banaswari, KR-Puram, Mahadevpura, Marthalli, HSR Layout, Madiwala, BTM Layout, JP Nagar, Banshankari, Kengri, Bangalore University, Nagarvabi, Nandini Layout, Kengri Satellite Town and Gokula. As we travel along, you would see that a number of flyovers has been built on this stretch to make it less traffic infested and signal free. Alright then, let's enjoy the ride. On the screen is coming up Columbia Asia Hospital. Below the flyover, if we take a left turn, will take us to Sarjapur Road. Metro rail construction on Outer Ring Road has also started, as you can see on the right hand side. The completion of metro rail construction on Outer Ring Road will be a huge boon to commuters in Bangalore. Coming up on the screen is the Broadway restaurant, a very good fine dine restaurant in HSR Layout. Also we can see in the distance temple of Lord Jagannath and Hanuman statue. This is an awesome landmark, and from the flyover the view is even better. Jai Jagannath, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Anjanaya. Over the years, the face of Outer Ring Road has not only changed but has become very vibrant. Bangalore city has outgrown the Outer Ring Road. There is information that the government of Karnataka is planning another ring road called Peripheral Ring Road, which is further from the Outer Ring Road. We are now reaching the Silk Board Junction, the most famous or feared junction in Bangalore, and it is, can be said the busiest junction in Bangalore. So it is a junction of the Outer Ring Road, the Hosur Road, which goes towards Electronic City, and BTM Layout. So there is also this flyover, which been constructed at least maybe 20 years back. And you can also see on the screen that the metro rail construction is happening, and hopefully once this gets constructed, the commuting from Electronic City and BTM Layout would become much easier. On my screen is the Silk Board, which is famous for culture and research on silkworm. What it looks from the pillars is that it might be a two-deck flyover, one for the road and one for the metro. I will be taking the shorter route via Madiwala Lake to Bannerghatta Road. The main road, which goes via Jayadeva Junction, may be traffic infested, where the flyover has already been dismantled, and I don't know what is the status now. Few days back, the COVID-induced lockdown has been lifted in Bangalore, and since then we could see a lot of traffic on the roads. This is Madiwala Lake, a big water body in Bangalore. This lake is situated here in Madiwala and between PTM Layout. The lake has walking way, sitting arrangements and a park. The lake came into news in 2005 when a big overflow of the lake happened and inundated many areas in Bommanhalli, Madiwala, Hosu Road, etc. I still remember seeing rubber boat around Rupena Agrahara. That is the first and the last time I saw a boat on roads in Bangalore. We are just getting on to Bannerghatta Road and you can see the amount of traffic here. Over the years, Bannerghatta Road has become very busy and kind of traffic infested as well. Here starts the boundary of IIM, the famous Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. They have a beautiful, enormous green campus. That's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits and click on the bell icon for future updates. Please support us so that we can come back with beautiful journeys like this again. And here comes the entrance of IIM Bangalore. Take care, have a good day, be safe.